Hey, what's going on, guys? It's KeeshyWithIt, and I'm here to drop my drum kit for y'all so you can get my sauce, my drip on it, and so you can have better sounds with your beats. And in this video, it's not all the sounds that are in it. You get multiple more kicks, hats, claps, all that stuff. And I have my own presets for Dune 2 and Citrus on there. Just figured I'd let you guys know that. And if you're looking to purchase this, email me at KeeshyWithIt@gmail.com. And if you're looking to collab with us, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and all that other stuff. Links in the bio, obviously. You should know that. But yeah, this is it.